Hi, I'm Chris with Carnival Cruise Line, and this is episode 241 of Yakety-Yak, straight from the Yak's mouth. John Heald, Carnival Cruise Line's brand ambassador, posts on his Facebook page where you can ask him questions. He answers the questions, we read the questions and the answers. We take the cool, the funny, the lies, the myths, and we put them here for you. So on today's episode, we're talking about why don't they sell guys merch for Guy's Burger Joint? Chicken waffles and waves on the Liberty? Is that true? I got a party of 12 going on the Liberty, and can I get a table for 12 in the Silver Olympian restaurant? Carnival should do a Peerunner fee. And I booked the Essentials package for the Carnival Paradise. What about my $25 specialty restaurant credit?
And this is straight from the Yak's mouth.
All right, question one. This cruiser loves Guy's Burger Joint and would love to be able to buy some merch. You know, hats, shirts, the works. Pun intended, they said. John said, you know what? We really should do better to provide these, and he's going to see what they can do. Me personally, I'm surprised they don't. A lot of people love Guy's Burgers. You know, the little outfits they wear, and it's like Scooter and whatever names are on there, all the hats, stuff like that. Guy Fieri himself, I'm surprised he doesn't have it, where he has the Guy's Burger Joints with a little Carnival logo like on his website or something. I think it would be a great idea. Question two. This cruiser has heard that they have added chicken, waffles, and waves as a dining option on the Liberty and wanted to know, is this true? John said, yes, that is correct. They're testing different things on different ships, and then later this year, they will put everything together and share all the news about the menus. So on these ships, right up by the fin, there used to be a little barbecue joint. So on some ships, they are testing different things. On this particular one, I have seen somebody post it. It does have chicken and waffles, and it does have two, I think, selected as I think it was a smoked pork butt and pulled pork or something. They have a couple different options up there. So I think it's pretty cool. So if you like chicken and waffles on a cruise ship, they got it on the Liberty right now and they're testing it out. Speaking of like, if you like what you see and you enjoy cruising content, please like and subscribe. We would greatly appreciate that. Question three. Speaking of Liberty, this cruiser has a party of 12 and is going on the Liberty, and they wanted to know if they have any round tables for 12 available in the Silver Olympian restaurant. John said, unfortunately, no, we don't. The max is 11. However, if you wanted to request one and don't mind being in a bit of a tight fit, you can link all your bookings together if you are on early and late seating, and then they will try to accommodate. So reading all the questions as we do, it varies. Today I was looking, and I don't remember the ship. A lady asked for 12 people for their party, and he said that particular ship, the max is 10. So reach out ahead of time. That's why John Heald has that page to answer these types of questions. Question four. This cruiser asked if Carnival would ever consider implementing a Peerunner fee. These people hold up all the other cruisers who get back on time, and you can give that money back to the Carnival crew and make it worth their while. John said he doesn't think they would ever be able to do that, although perhaps we should have them washing up on the ships. You know, swabbing the deck, doing the dishes, and this person's 100% right. If you've been on a cruise before and you get to more of the party ports like Cozumel per se, almost always a Peerunner, or at that point they're so drunk, a pair wobbler or a pair walker or a pair stumbler and faller. But yeah, they end up holding up the ship for half hour, sometimes an hour, before the ship says, you know what, enjoy Mexico, we're leaving you. Yeah, make them do dishes. I agree. Last question. This cruiser purchased the Essentials bundle package for their upcoming cruise on the Carnival Paradise. So that is discounted Wi-Fi, drinks on us everywhere, I think. Or the drink package, it might be the non-alcoholic cheers, and a $25 specialty restaurant dining credit. And they said there's no specialty restaurants on the ship, so will the $25 credit be compensated in any other way? John said, no. Unfortunately, it won't, but you still could use it for the chef's table, and he would highly recommend they try it, as do we. We've done the chef's table. It is absolutely amazing. It is an experience. Ours in particular was in the galley during, I think it was early seating, it was like 6 o'clock or 6:30. A little bit loud, but God, is it amazing. So, there's only 2 ships in the fleet that don't have specialty dining. Paradise and the Elation. So yeah, you can use it toward the chef's table and do the chef's table. Ta-da! That's been episode 241 of Yakety-Yak, straight from the Yak's mouth. Thanks for watching. Please take care.